we are tracking for you, and this is over Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan, who has been stabbed late last night. Let's tell you that his team has now issued a statement, and let me read that official statement out for you. This is from Saif Ali Khan's PR team, and it says there was an attempted burglary at Saif Ali Khan's residence. He is currently in hospital undergoing a surgery. We request the media and fans to be patient. It is a police matter. We will keep you updated on the situation. That statement being released by Saif Ali Khan's PR team. The actor was stabbed late night at his Bandra house by an intruder. Big questions, of course, are being raised. We are going to track the answers to those. But for now, let's move on to another big breaking news that we are learning in connection to the development. Now, the doctors of Leelavati Hospital, where Saif Ali Khan has been admitted, has confirmed that the actor has 6 injuries and he is undergoing a treatment. A team of special doctors are performing surgery on Saif Ali Khan after he was stabbed. Big update, viewers. The actor has received 6 injuries from the knife attack. All right, and joining us now is filmmaker Ashok Pandit on the bulletin. A very good morning to you, Mr. Ashok Pandit. This is a grim development that we are coming up with from Mumbai. Saif Ali Khan has been attacked, and this is coming after we had incidents of Govinda being shot in the leg and Baba Siddiqui being murdered. This is, of course, raising severe questions on the law and order situation in Mumbai. What are your first reactions?
You see, first of all, 3 examples which you quoted are all different. So let's not compare these 3 incidences with what happened at Saif's house. One is that we are all surprised and we are shocked. How can intruder intrude into a house late in the night where normally the security is quite tight? You know, when celebrities live in a building, the security of the buildings are quite tight and it's quite very active. And not only the building security, society security, but also the celebrity who lives in the building has his own security also. So I'm sure police will do their job and they will investigate the matter and try to find out. And I'm sure, I feel that the person who has intruded is a known person, and that's why the door must have been opened. Late in the night at 2:30 in the morning, early morning, somebody rings your bell, nobody opens the door like this. So it's a matter to be investigated, and I'm sure police will do their job very well, because Mumbai police is very efficient as far as investigations are concerned. We at IFTDA and INPA and the Federation, we are all concerned about Saif Saab's health, and we are sure that we hope that he will recover at the earliest and as soon as possible. But we are all concerned about his health and about his welfare. And we are also surprised and we are shocked with this incident, because it is really posing questions as far as the internal security of the building is concerned. I don't agree to Pooja Bhatt's statement, who has given a very irresponsible statement saying that there is a question on security which has been raised as far as the city is concerned. And security should be increased in Bandra area. I think every area is as important as the other areas. Let's not issue amateur statements like that and complicate what happened in this. So let's be together and see to it that such incidences are not repeated time and again. And I'm sure Mumbai police is quite active and quite intelligent enough to investigate this matter, and they will sort this issue as soon as possible. But we all pray for speedy recovery of Saif Saab, and we'll see to it that he comes out of this incident at the earliest.
All right, Mr. Ashok Pandit, now we have many questions to ask you. Deepak, my colleague, is joining us on the phone line. Deepak, I believe you have a question to ask Ashok Pandit. Please go ahead.
Well, Mr. Pandit, a very good morning to you. The PR team of Saif Ali Khan has put all speculations to rest, saying that there was a burglary attempt. But Saif Ali Khan is no ordinary person. His security at his house is at an all-time high every single day. How can there be a burglary and how can there be a lapse? Was this internal? Do you think? What do you think could have gone down at 2 a.m. at his residence?
You see, Deepak, this is all for the police to investigate and family to respond. As an outsider, I can only, as a representative of the film bodies and film industry, I can only say that we are all concerned about his health, and we are sure that he'll recover very soon. But the question which has to be, which really ponders in your mind is that how can a door be open to a person at 2:30 early morning? I'm sure the person must be known to the maids who has opened the door. And it's not that the security of the building has become a big farce in this city now, because most of the guards you see are on mobiles watching films and watching this. Then the concern with it's not a question of celebrity. It's a question of security of every common man living in the premises. Where there is a celebrity staying in a society or in a building, the security is more concerned. They are more active, and the security guards are also of that. Personal guards are also of that celebrity. So when a person like Saif Saab, is there, he has his own personal security. One has his own personal guards. Normally they have their own personal security and all that. How can a person intrude a family? Someone who has opened the door at early, morning. If he has not opened the door, how does he come from the balcony and all that? That's all for the police to find out and investigate. But it's really a matter of concern. And it has to be sorted out. It's now because his celebrity has become big. Otherwise, how compromise the security of the societies, of the buildings? We all know that we give a last choice or last alternative as far as the security is concerned. It's a matter of concern. There is no doubt about it. And let's not blame the authorities and the police or any authorities for this incident. It's a major faux pas as far as the society security is concerned.
Right, so many thanks for joining me with those insights. Now let's also listen into what BJP leader Ram Kadam had to say about the entire incident.
प्रतिभावान कलाकार सैफ अली पर जो हमला हुआ है, पुलिस के द्वारा जो प्राप्त जानकारी मिली है उसके तहत कोई चोरी के मंशा से कोई व्यक्ति उनके घर घुसा और आपसी झड़प में कुछ उन्हें माइनर इंजरीज आई है, इस प्रकार की जानकारी है। अस्पताल में उनका इलाज चल रहा है। पुलिस इस पूरे मामले को खंगालेगी। आरोपी की क्या मंशा थी, क्या वो चोरी के बहाने से आया था या इसके पीछे और कुछ कारण थे, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। और इस प्रकार की घटनाएं आने वाले भविष्य में न हो, इसकी भी पूरी तरह से पुलिस की जिम्मेदारी है और पुलिस इसका पूरी तरह से ध्यान रखेगी।